Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you disable or cancel and tasks which are running in background on your computer. So for doing this, what you have to do is press on window key and then search here task manager and then open it. So here you can see I've opened the task manager. So here all the tasks which are running on my computer is showing. So from here, let's say I want to clear or can say delete this task which is running in the background. So now click on this and then click on end task. So just wait. So here you can see that task is deleted from the background. So I have also deleted the Avast antivirus. So this will take a few seconds to close this task. If not, you can try this again and this will delete or can say disable the task from the background to run. So this is how you can do this. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.